Alright, today I'm going to be taking apart the left Joy-Con. Should be a little easier than the last one. Thanks for stopping by my channel. This is Zenshin. I just mess with stuff, tinker with stuff. Any electronics I can get my hands on, I'll play with it, do a little mini review. I usually tear everything apart, put it back together, and give you my thoughts. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see me do something else, just put it down in the comments. Thank you, and let's begin. Alright. There's 4 tri-wings here. For pain in the butt tri-wings. Alright, as I explained in the other video, you can just come over here, find a spot right here, use your fingernail, and you won't have to use a smudge tool harming the plastic. And you want to slowly lift and bring over like so. Alright, we're going to unscrew these. Oh, that's the tri-wing. I use this one. 000 Phillips. Alright, yank that bad boy off. Like so. Come on. I'm going to do this one a little different. I'm going to go ahead and do this. This will be a lot quicker. Okay. There's that. And that screw can go right back in there. You just got to be careful because this is still hooked up. Alright. I'm going to do something a little different. This one has 3 as well. I believe the other ones are underneath the battery on the left hand side. So I have to actually scoop it up. I'll use these as these don't have a point, and I'll just come in here like so and lift up. Voila! And there's the other 2 screws. It's this one and this one. And they love to stick together. Alright, now you can lift up and bring such over. Alright. I'm going to unplug this. Alright, so that one is for that one. And this one is for this one. Alright. Now I can go ahead and take this and move this out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this, pop this off. We're going to do this one this time first instead of last. Alright, I'm doing reverse order to make things interesting. Alright, remember there's the 2 screws, the 2 springs in here, and I like to aim down so they don't fly off. Because they will. There they are. Where'd the other one go? Ah, there it is. That's what I mean. They like to fly off. Alright. Let's go for that. Alright, let's take this. Grab this. Come over here. Drop it in here. Like so. It'll clip in there when you get it in the right spot. There it is. And then my screw. Screw it down. I don't want to over tighten these. Alright, put your 2 springs back in here, if you can get them. the kicker is, if you lose the springs, they'll still click, they'll still work. I think what it does is it relieves some of the pressure over time to make these not wear out as quick. But I'm not an expert on that, so don't quote me on that. Alright, so there's the little grooves you want to match. They go inside of the springs. That's interesting. Huh. Oh, it goes at an angle. That's what it is. Alright. Then once you get them in there, you gotta... Come on. You got this. And you gotta push like so. And there it is. Voila. Another part down. So now the last part. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright. Go ahead and take this off. Like I said, I'm doing things backwards this time. And just to change it up. Alright. Come on out. Come on. You got this. Oh. Might help if I unplug it too, right? Alright. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab this now, since this is probably going to be the easier one to do this time around this way. Alright. So I'm going to grab this. Come over here with this. Go ahead and drop this down here. There's two little notches here. Alright, I want to get them lined up before I let the adhesive stick it down. Alright, there it is. Adhesive there. Adhesive there. Very nice. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and put this in, even though it's probably not time the best to do this, but I want to do it. Alright. Like so. Take my two screws here, put them in. What this is going to do, this is going to give me a little bit of freedom when I put the buttons in, that way they don't just try to fly out. That's all this is doing. Alright. See, now the button shouldn't come out. Alright. So we'll go ahead and take this off. Put that there. And now we're going to work on these. I've already unplugged that. Scoot that a little bit. Then we'll grab this. And come over here and grab this. Bring it over here like so. Grab this, drop this here. Touch it a little bit. Ready for that. Alright, take this one out. Alright, we'll come over here. We'll transfer this like so. Alright, because I don't want that button to go flying off. Alright. This little groove right here. I'm making sure to line it up because it's going to help it, and then I'm going to screw it down. Alright, now the same here. Put these 2 screws in. It's always something, isn't it? Alright. Oh, there it is. It's like, where'd the screw go? Alright. Next. I'll let the battery up. Alright. That's out. And we're going to do the motor next. Just going to come up in here like so. And push underneath because there's adhesive. There. I'm going to gently wiggle. I've actually broken these. There. Now we're down to the last little bits here. Notice these go diagonally here, and then the other ones go there. Might want to zoom in a little bit. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm also a little sick. Alright. So now, transfer these. And just like I said in the other video, they only go in one place and they only go one way. So it's just as simple as transfer them exactly how they are here. It's over here. By the way, this works on all V1 and V2 switch controllers. So it's a pretty nice guide. All right. Bring this over here. Tuck it under and drop. I'm going to put those 2 screws, remember, diagonally. Alright, that. This one goes here. Alright, now I'm going to test my buttons. Oh. See? Move so fast, I forgot to put that on. That's what happens. And that's why I always go back and check behind myself. I actually saw the switch light once and forgot to put the D-pad in it. Luckily they were kind of experienced with taking a switch apart and they were able to do it, but I felt terrible because it's my product and I wanted to make it right. I was gonna pay for the shipping, have it back and redo it. I even offered to give them a refund of some of their money because of that, but they did not want to, which is fine. I mean, they still were satisfied with the product. Come on. All right, tuck that in there. All right, then this one. So, I'm about to check my work a little bit. Alright. Capture button works. All these feel good. Alright. So, now I'm going to continue. Come here. And we're almost done, guys. The reason why I like to wait on this because these take a little bit of bump and they can just fall out. open, that's open. What? Oh. I just realized I broke the battery part here. Uh-oh. Let's be gentle. I think that was when I was doing the motor part out. I think I can still work with that. Alright. Let's go ahead and take that motor. Drop it back in here. Like so. Plug this bad boy in. It's only going one way, by the way. Alright. Clickety click click. Alright. I guess the next part is probably this. Alright, so this is where this part goes. Because it wraps right here, so it folds under like so. And we slot it in. Give me one. Alright, I had to blow my nose. So now I'm gonna get this bad boy in right here. Come on. That's the hard part. There's always one. Alright, come on. Now I've got it held down, I can, there it is. And clip. And that's what I mean. Look. It's already came off by the spring. Alright. Oh, before I do that, let's go ahead and get these in here, like so. This will make this much easier because I've broken these clips. I think I said that before. And right now they're the most exposed and easy to get to. Come on. Alright, let's get this way. Alright. Alright, put that down. I'll come over here and do this one. Alright. Put that down. Alright. Now we're into the final area here. Alright, this. Put this down here. Now to put the 3 screws in. And these go the other direction diagonally. And now for the battery. Now I'm moving. Alright. Goes down like so. Hopefully this didn't mess it up when I was messing around. Come on. Okay. And it's working. Success. Alright, now to put these 4 screws in. And this is done. Alright, there it is. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the moment I drop a new video. And if you would like me to review a piece of tech or tear something down, please leave it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Thank you and have a nice day.